How to automatically get Microsoft reward points. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can automatically get Microsoft reward points. So for that, to earn points by searching with Bing on your mobile device, set Bing as your default search engine. Use the Bing app or use the Microsoft Launcher for Android app, or earn even more points with the Microsoft Edge app. Microsoft reward point don't have any cash value. It usually takes up to 5,000 points to redeem something worth $5. So Microsoft reward points will expire if there are no earning activities within 18 months. So there are many reward available for you for your Amazon or your Xbox from Microsoft. Once you have enough points, eligible reward will become visible in your reward page. Save up for the big items and spend your points on smaller rewards along the way. However, you want to redeem your points, Microsoft will track your point progress, so you can keep earning and spending without counting on your fingers. So this is basically how you can automatically get Microsoft reward points. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.